In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use MCP servers with GitHub Copilot CLI. Copilot CLI is great for coding questions, but it can miss the newest library documentation. So we'll connect it to the Context 7 documentation server using the Model Context Protocol. Let's start by opening GitHub Copilot CLI and adding a remote MCP server. Click Start on the Windows taskbar. In the search box, type PowerShell 7. Press Enter to open PowerShell. Now switch to the prepared folder where you'll be working. Once you're in the right folder, we'll add Context 7 as a remote HTTP server. Copy the command from the pinned comment below the video. Paste it into PowerShell and press Enter. PowerShell should confirm with the message added server Context 7. Next, let's verify the saved server configuration. Run the inspect command for the server. Look at the output carefully and confirm that the type shows as HTTP, the URL is listed, the tools field shows all, and the source is set to user. Now let's confirm Context 7 is available inside an interactive session. Start GitHub Copilot CLI by typing Copilot and pressing Enter. If a prompt appears asking you to confirm folder trust, select option 2, Yes, and remember this folder for future sessions. Press Enter to continue. Open the saved server details by entering MCP show Context 7. The server view should display Context 7, along with the tools provided by the remote server. With that confirmed, we'll use the MCP server for a documentation lookup. Return to the prompt by pressing Escape. Now ask Copilot to use the server to fetch current documentation for your chosen library. Press Enter to submit the prompt. If Copilot asks permission to run a Context 7 tool, select Yes to approve that tool call. Repeat the approval if Copilot needs a second Context 7 tool to actually retrieve the documentation. This step can take up to a minute to finish, so please be patient while it works. Copilot should then display the Context 7 tool activity in the terminal and answer using current Next.js documentation rather than relying only on model memory. GitHub Copilot CLI now has a user-level Context 7 MCP configuration in place. Running MCP show Context 7 displays its tools, and the final answer visibly uses the server for a current documentation lookup. The server stays available for all your later Copilot CLI sessions.